Hello and welcome to day 32 of Bedtime Welsh. Feels as if we've been doing this for literally ever now, doesn't it? So great, we've got 3 o'clock lined up for this coming Saturday, for those of you who are doing this real time. And Angela's looking forward to that, aren't you? Yeah, looking forward to it. So we're going to think of some things there. And now cracking on with 32, we want to introduce a new word today. It's a very handy word, very useful word. You can use it lots. It's the word to feel. So to feel something, as to feel happy, to feel sad, is teimlo. Teimlo. So give me to feel.
Teimlo.
Teimlo. And now give me I feel. Can you work that out? I feel.
Dwi'n teimlo.
Dwi'n teimlo. Dwi'n teimlo. And now, I felt. Can you work that one out? If you think about I wanted, it might give you a clue. I felt.
O'n i'n teimlo.
O'n i'n teimlo. O'n i'n teimlo. I hope you're all noticing that Angharad will say things in a different way sometime, in another way another time. That's absolutely normal. We're not trying to create some little perfect robots who speak a perfect language, because it doesn't exist. So it's absolutely normal to say things in different ways at different times. So I felt is o'n i'n teimlo. O'n i'n teimlo, like o'n i isio. So now how about what I felt?
Beth o'n i'n teimlo.
Beth o'n i'n teimlo. And now how about what I feel? What I feel.
Beth dwi'n teimlo.
Beth dwi'n teimlo. You might have heard Angharad just saying be there for Beth. That's really, really common. So if you want to do the same, that's fine. Beth dwi'n teimlo or be dwi'n teimlo. And then finally for today, what I feel now.
Beth dwi'n teimlo rŵan.
Beth dwi'n teimlo rŵan. Da iawn, da iawn. We'll see you on Saturday. Hwyl am y tro.